Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the turn signal bulb without removing the housing off of the vehicle in a very simple step. Alright, so right behind here, you're gonna see right in behind. Okay, it's overexposed here, but you can see what I'm talking about. That little brown housing right there. I'm just gonna pull that out. You're gonna want to turn it. It's just this here. You're going to want to turn it counterclockwise to remove it. You're just going to want to stick your hand under here. Alright. Turn that bulb, that housing, the plug, counterclockwise. Your hair will click. You're going to want to pull it out. And there is enough slack for it to hang loose, and it'll reveal itself down here. Positioning the camera for this is by far the hardest step to show you, but I assure you, once you get it off of this housing, you'll be able to see and comprehend what I'm talking about. Now the replacement bulb is a 3157A. A is for the amber tint on it, and we're going to want to replace that with the same part number, obviously. So you don't want to touch the bulb with your oily fingers, so I'm going to use a rag for that. That's why I've been holding on to this rag. That's why I've been holding on to this rag for the entire video, so I don't forget about it. But you're going to want to put it in the same way you took it out. It's so much easier and so much less time consuming than pulling out this whole housing. Trust me, I've tried it, I've done it. This is a much faster process. I hope this video helped. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions or concerns, or you think I'm just really dumb and stupid and don't know what I'm doing, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, or let me know what I'm doing right.